Good morning. As you know that ggcorplegal.com started TCS Opportunity Series, and next session in this series is going to be very special. And we will be having Company Secretary Sachin Chadawa from Mumbai, and he's the perfect speaker for this topic. And this topic is NBFC registration and takeover. You know that RBI guidelines and NBFC has reached a journey from earlier mess. And this registration, many professionals have left this practice because registration does not happen in a day or two. But you know that this registration results into a good money, and this gives you professional satisfaction. Certainly, this is not a walkover registration, but registration is not a rocket science. And Sachin, during his session, young Sachin Chadawa ji will be discussing how to successfully secure the registration certificate from Reserve Bank of India for non-banking finance company. And even proposal making for this NBFC registration is an art because it works as a shock for the person who is receiving this proposal. And this art of preparing proposal, this is very important, very critical. He will also be talking during his session about the checklist for the assignment because checklist matters. And you know that once, at least once, the document comes back, but there is no need to feel disheartened because so many documents are there that annexers runs from not only from A to Z, but beyond Z also. But even this single assignment in a year will give wings to your practice. Law has changed for change in management also. There were times when NBFCs were being sold and purchased in grey market, but that time is now over because prior approval of Reserve Bank of India is required whenever there is change in management. And Company Secretary Sachin Chadawa from Mumbai, he will be talking in detail about how to take it and what are the implications and how change in management is as good as registration of a new non-banking finance company. You might also be wondering how to get a work for NBFC registration. If you are in practice, you know that getting work is an art. If you are intending to enter into practice, then you need to learn this art so that you don't feel disheartened in your practice. And if still you are using the wrong methods to get the work, you need to correct midway so that practice becomes good for you. And make yourself expert for this NBFC registration as well as for change in management. Join the session and join the session where NBFC practitioner CS Sachin Chadawa ji will be talking on 3rd of July at 4 p.m. This is Saturday. This suits you and learn the new tricks, learn how even a single assignment in a year can give wings to your practice. Though this assignment is going to take 4 to 6 months of your time, but 4 to 6 months you are not doing only this assignment. You are doing other assignments also. Therefore, this makes sense. Kindly get connected on 3rd July at 4 p.m. and visit ggcorplegal.com for various PPTs and sessions which we did earlier. Thank you. All the best. Waiting for you. And let us meet again on 3rd July 2021 at 4 p.m. Thank you.